the wild meadow garden. This style brings the look of natural meadow right to your own yard. Wild meadow gardens are filled with native flowers, grasses, and pollinator-friendly plants, giving your garden a natural, lush, and low-maintenance appeal. Let's go on further to explore how to create this stunning landscape. A wild meadow garden is all about mimicking nature. It's a mix of flowering plants and grasses arranged loosely to create a natural, wild look. Unlike traditional flower beds, meadow gardens embrace spontaneity with plants growing closely together and filling in as they would in the wild. This garden style not only looks beautiful, but also supports local wildlife and pollinators like bees, butterflies, and birds. Choosing the right plants. When creating a wild meadow garden, native plants are your best friend. Look for wildflowers, grasses, and herbs that naturally thrive in your area. They're adapted to your climate, soil, and rainfall, making them low maintenance and eco-friendly. Some great choices include daisies, coneflowers, black-eyed Susans, and native grasses. These plants are perfect for creating a colorful, textured landscape that looks great and benefits local wildlife. Designing your meadow layout. Unlike a formal garden, a meadow garden doesn't follow strict rules. You'll want to group plants of varying heights and textures, with taller plants at the back or center and shorter ones along the edges. To create that natural, layered look, mix together clumps of different species rather than placing them in neat rows. This way, the plants grow into each other and form a beautiful, flowing tapestry. Preparing the soil. While wildflowers and grasses don't need rich soil, it's still a good idea to clear any weeds and add a bit of compost to give your meadow garden a healthy start. Native plants thrive in natural, well-draining soil, so minimal preparation is usually all you need. Once you've prepared the soil, you can either scatter seeds or plant seedlings directly into the ground. Caring for your meadow garden. Wild meadow gardens are low maintenance, but they still benefit from a little care. Water young plants until they are established, and pull out invasive weeds as they appear. Once the meadow is mature, you'll only need to mow it once or twice a year, usually in late fall or early spring, to keep it healthy and encourage new growth. This simple upkeep lets you enjoy a beautiful changing landscape with minimal effort. Benefits for pollinators and wildlife. Wild meadow gardens are incredible for pollinators. The diversity of flowers attracts bees, butterflies, and other beneficial insects, while the dense planting provides shelter for small birds and critters. By choosing native plants, you're not just creating a beautiful garden, you're helping to support your local ecosystem. A wild meadow garden is filled with life, color, and charm. It's a low-maintenance, eco-friendly way to bring the beauty of nature into your yard. Whether you have a small patch or a big yard, a meadow garden will transform your landscape and support your local wildlife. Let me know if you're considering putting a wild meadow garden in your yard. Leave me a comment.